Alex, watch out.
Тут эта собака.
Watch out. Shall we stay?
What the heck?
It's actually turn. Actually 11. But it was beeping for some reason. I don't know why. Shall we stay?
Собак. Два. Ну, пипец. Собака попа.
Кутя, Кутя. Кутя, Кутя. We got one too friendly, but sometimes get little bit. You know, gotta get used to it.
He's an old guy.
Yeah.
Хорошая вот собака. Маленький.
Shall we know?
That's Puggy, not trained.
It's not too bad. I don't know why I was
Another
beeping.
one. Привет.
I don't know why I was beeping. Go again?
Nah.
New battery.
Crazy собака.
It's not too bad. Might have to trim it a little bit. Might have to trim controls a little bit. I don't know why I was beeping.
So we got the muzzle on.
So, 2 flights so far. And guess what? On a level flight, it's a lifesaver.
What's up, buddy?
No, she said it's very friendly dog. Ее. Я говорю, у нас тоже friendly. Sometimes только eats.
Ты сказал так?
Да. Окей.
Я делал мазал на ней.
Да. Сядь, иди туда обратно.
Sit. Sit, sit, sit.
Holy shit.
Ага.
My wheels. My landing gear. Держи. Don't touch the throttle.
У него вообще без контроля собака бежит.
No wonder it was like nose down.
Если она ее friendly,
У нас может go nuts.
нахрена она ее собака бежит в мою собаку, понимаешь?
Ну да.
Это теперь. Sit. No shocker or any control. Sit. Поворачивай, get away from the park.
Trying to adjust.
Hush. Sit.
Try to adjust it, what do you call? Это у меня level flight, он сам level itself. Смотри, я отпускаю стик. Видишь, я стик отпускаю. Видишь, как он perfectly trim.
Я хотел мыть ее собаку.
А?
Какой-то как little bear. Два.
Это называется level flight. Я не буду сейчас...
А куда этот dog come from? Right from there? Yeah. Вообще, я не понял. That dog came out of nowhere.
Oh shit.
One dog was just walking around there, another one just came out of nowhere.
Friendly. Out of control, something.
It's something, and then it can just twist in their mind and then bite.
Alex, are you filming it or are you watching?
I can barely feel. You can barely see it, yeah, Bob.
Too high.
Probably. You got a muzzle on. You're not gonna eat it.
Leave it, Sheldon.
Where's the plane? I don't even know. Oh. It blends in with the sky.
Uh-oh.
You mean oh. Это нехорошо oh. It's the thing oh.
Uh-oh. Watch. It's coming down.
Мозги комы. О, блин.
Power. Видишь, какой он твой? Это у меня только где-то 30% газ. Вот. Может респаун сейчас я поменяю немножко. На. That's better.
Land. Land.
You better
I
respond.
want to go fly the other plane.
Hold on, let me land this one. Where are we going?
Yawa. Yawa.
Why is it going left?
As it is.
Ah, shit. I gotta trim it.
Yo, let me fly it. Muzzle.
Ah, screw you. I don't know if it's over angle or what.
Oh, yeah.
When alarm kicks in.
Dust. Land. Ew.
I think it's over angle or something. Something beeping. I got. I'm gonna keep it a wall now.
Oh, crazy.
Some alarm kicks in. I don't know. Кого? I don't know. У меня там что-то пипин.
Land.
Trying to.
My butt. You're going the wrong direction.
Power off. I'm coming in, no engine.
My butt. Oh, land over there.
Going around.
Do you have extra batteries for the low plane? That's probably
Let
telling
me
me.
start from that side.
Do you have extra batteries for the low plane? Yo. Go,
Complaining about something.
GoPro's at 35%.
Huh?
GoPro's at 35%.
Watch the dog. I'm coming in.
Dog doesn't care. Oh,
That's perfect.
my butt.
No, I think it's okay. I gotta check. I'm gonna keep it like this.
I want to fly the little plane.
Hold on.
I'm gonna put the GoPro on the floor.
No, don't put nothing. Shelby, leave it.
I want to fly.
This guy's just gonna push it, иди.
Я столько френди сказал, а у нас...
Я не знаю, что это сказал мне.
А что ты сказал?
Я не знаю.
Тоже говоришь, что френди. Shelby, leave it.
Я уже хочу напасть. На батарею. Do you have extra batteries? No.
Yeah. No, back.
Let the dog go drink. Go drink.
Present.
Я хотел одеть мазал, я не успел.
Мог отпустить. Хорошо было.
Смазал?
Да, смазал.
Видишь, она будет тут лапы положить. Там вообще какой-то тедди-бер ходит. Я вторая вышла оттуда и не понял, какая собака. Я сейчас летел в Теслу.
Яра, будешь film? Я сейчас lunch one more time. I want to check different flights. And I want to try go up and
Fly with the dog first.
feel как оно рекало. Nuts.
Я уже GoPro.
GoPro,
On the floor.
recording?
Да.
Мне надо трим, у меня... Мне надо
Ты
трим.
dumb? Потерял батарею тоже. Over there, to the right. To the right. Ты слепой? I thought you have glasses for a reason. Hey. Right here, dummy. Смотри, какой крэш был.
It's okay.
Shelby, sit. Sit. Stay.
Head you to the
Okay.
on the side. What are you doing? Go there. Alex, watch out. Jump is sit.
Sit. Sit. Налево пошел.
For some reason, I have to trim it. He wants to go left all the time. Oh shit. Almost hit the gears or what?
Almost.
No, no power also.
The battery dead?
I know. No, I still got power.
The full power?
No. Full power over M, so I don't want to blow the controller.
Alex, they're gonna crash.
I think battery alarm. I gotta go around.
Четко позже coming back.
Yep, alarm.
For battery dead?
Yep.
Alex! Один мазан на ней.
I'm diving.
Четко coming.
I'm diving. Coming? I lost my tires. You see it?
Один мазал на собаку. Put the muzzle on. Что 10.9? Dirt. Grease poop.
I'm gonna put the old battery, потому что у меня old one не бит. I'm gonna watch it